If you're trying to figure out an affordable way to give a Valentine's Day gift or even do some cool decorations, I have you covered. Check out how I created some cool ideas from items from the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree. I actually enjoy coming up with a couple of different ways of doing things, so let's just get right on into it. Hey guys, it's Nikki, and I decided I would try to do something a little bit different for Valentine's Day. Give you some options on if you're deciding you want to give something a little cute for a loved one or your significant other. So what I did is I picked this beauty up at the Dollar Tree. It's $1. It's so big. I think this is called a Merlot glass. I don't drink wine anymore. I've been delivered from that. But to those who do, cheerio. But yeah, so got this from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up a couple of these little cuties, and I'm trying to see. Just gonna play around and see what we can come up with. So come on with the journey with it. All right, so here we have some Hershey Kisses, and they're red. So I was thinking of, I'm gonna do a couple of options here for you guys so you can kind of see what you may like. So just throw in some Hershey Kisses. Actually, let me just pour them all out. And just put some at the bottom here. And then I think she's a cutie. Say hi. Hi guys. And then you just want to stick her in here. All right. So clearly I need to adjust this, but here she is here. Okay. So there we have it. Now, what else I was thinking about doing is, let's see. I bought these flowers. I don't know where they're at. They kind of came out already. And I was thinking about, see how cute they are? Just like sticking one in here. So it's like she's holding it. And what you can do is if you have like a gift card, you can put one on the side somewhere. Or let's see, what else can we do? Okay, we have some flowers here, so maybe I will get my flower cutter. I mean my wire cutter. And just cut a couple, maybe two. Oh, this is 3. So let's do 2 first. And, okay. Kind of just stick these in here. Oh, even just one. One is cute. 1, 2. So you have your little Hershey Kisses, your little couple of flowers, and there you have it. And like I said, you could just put in a little gift card, you know, to her favorite place, a massage, spa day or something like that. Or, you know, if people, you know, like to drink wine, you know, give them a gift card to their favorite wine store. I don't know. But here's an option. So option 1. Ta-da! Nice and simple. Actually got the Hershey Kisses at the Dollar Tree as well. And so let's figure out a different way of doing this. Okay, so we're gonna take her out. This thing. And then we can like fill it with some flowers, fill it with some kisses. And it'd probably be better if it was a different color because you can't even really see the kisses. But just Fill them with some flowers. Let's cut them all off. Again, the flowers were from Dollar Tree as well. See that? And then what we'll do is we'll get this shiny heart here. Cut that off and just sit it in the middle. That's like a cute little, uh-oh, you guys can't see. There you go. So that's another option. You actually probably could fill this up even more. Let's do it. Let's do that. So, take two. Pull this out. So again, I'm not going to cut this garland yet because I'm just trying to show you guys some options. So just kind of fill this glass all the way up. Then you could put like some kisses, Hershey Kisses, or like I said, some a gift card or something to that sort. But for just like if you're having like a little party or you want to decorate your home like a centerpiece, you put, you put these flowers in here, and then in the middle you just stick this beauty here, and there you have it. So there you have it. So here's another option for you. You just fill this up. I only did one little package of Hershey Kisses, but you could fill it up with Hershey Kisses. Like I said, put in your favorite, your significant other's favorite gift card in the bag, and you can add some flowers still. Let's add them to the side. Let's see, do we want them, we want to hold it. Let them hold a little flower. And just say, Happy Valentine's Day. There you go. Or, like I said, for decorations, you can take the Hershey Kisses out. And then, again, you can fill it up with the garland. You don't have to put all this garland in. I'm just, don't want to cut it quite yet. All right, so then, and you could just simply what do you guys think? I don't know, but let's keep it moving. All right. So say for instance you're having a little party or something, or you want to put this in your bathroom just so you have a little bit, or in your office. Something simple. Again, Dollar Tree. All right, so there you have it. Or you can kind of place one. Yeah, that's pretty. What do you guys think? I think I like that. That's kind of pretty. Ta-da! Alright guys, so I already started, but I thought I might as well show you. I picked this up, I think I picked this up at, I don't know, Michael's, Joann's, Walmart. I think it was Walmart. And then I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and the cool thing about this is that it came with this top here, and so you can have it like this, or you can have it sit like that. So I already started, and I just thought I might as well show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to use this as an option for a Valentine's Day decoration or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I just wanted to show you. I pick these up at the Dollar Tree. You guys are familiar with this. And again, I like to use chalk paint because it dries pretty quickly. I found that this one, I've never used this Waverly before. I normally get a couple other different brands, but I was in a bind. I needed some ivory, an ivory color. And what I noticed about this brand is pretty thick. It's like thick. I used Renaissance. I really like Renaissance, especially for like furniture and stuff. But it's kind of expensive. And again, I would have bought it anyway, but I was in a bind. I wanted to get something like, not today, but that was like the other day. So I just went on and decided to get it. But here you go. That's your first coat. And this is gonna need at least 2 more coats, maybe even 3. And so you wanna just get in the grooves. You don't have to do that, but I'm kind of a weirdo like that I like to make sure it's all covered, even though no one will see all of this. And I'll be back with the second. Okay guys, so what I did is I just went on ahead and painted that jar with some off-white chalk paint. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this garland that picked up at the Dollar Tree also. Just kind of smush it in there like so. So you want some to be sticking out. So here it is from the side view. But we're not done yet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some flowers. And these flowers also picked up at the Dollar Tree, remember? All of this is Dollar Tree stuff. Except the chalk paint, of course. All right, so you want to leave a little bit of room. That's when those hearts coming out, and then you want to put this heart right here in the middle. Now, what you can do is you can glue it if you like, but let's see. Just hide that stem. Push it in a little bit more. Here it is from the side. You can, paint it a different color. I just wanted to keep it a little bit simple. Make sure those are pushed in all the way. All right. Here it is from the other side. You can have it, yep, there it is. You can have it sit up like that. And from that view, it's like this. but I think it's around a little bit. And there you have it. All right, guys, this was kind of fun. Just want to make sure I'm a little perfectionist. But yeah, this is kind of fun. That heart, I promise you, you're gonna, there, perfect, yeah. So yeah, this was fun to do. And all of this was from the Dollar Tree, where you can just pick up. I think it was like, these here was like, I think it was 5 or 6 on in a bunch. So $1, $1, $1, $1. So here's another option for you for your Valentine's Day. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the content of this video and the other DIY videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll do my best to come up with some cool and creative ways for us to decorate on a budget. I'll see you soon. Smooches!